Hi, this is Lisa Cardoza. This is a presentation on Meister. I'm going to go over the ISTE standards. This would help coaches by creating a shared vision and culture for using technology to learn and accelerate transformation through the coaching process. Design professional learning based on needs assessments and frameworks for working with adults to support their cultural, social, emotional, and learning needs. And Meister can be used for coaches, administrators, or teachers. Project planning tools, note-taking tool, essay writing tool, and there's a plethora of those within the free version and a lot more in the upgraded version. So under project planning, you could use it for technology purchases in your district, science projects for 7th grade students or whatnot, curriculum planning. So if we go right into it, I've created one here that was for the project planning. At our mental health center, we're moving to a CCDHC model, which is a certified community behavioral health center from a community behavioral health center. So it would start out with each section what we need to do within our project, SAMHSA grant, meet fidelity, and the billing. And there's many more of these branches that could be added. And so if I go back, pull this up a little bit. So if I go back and hit the plus sign and go from a new template and go down to the education section, I can go right into Cornell note-taking, and it shows a student how to take notes. So right here it'll say taken during the class, the main points and the topics like these, and you can add attachments, tasks, notes, comments, connectors. Also go up to the cues, which is done after the class, the main questions and keywords from your note-taking. And then put it in a summary done after class as well, summarizing the key takeaways. And again, you can add connectors, comments, notes, media, attachments, etc. Another function, if we hit the plus button and go to a new template, would be for essay writing. So again, you could go down to the education mode and pick the outline 5-paragraph essay, and it will show a student how to create an essay. And as you can see, this is too big for the page, so down at the bottom you can decrease the size of it and make it a little more readable. So it will show the student to start with an introduction, thesis statement, introduce your arguments, then there's first, second, third paragraphs with your argument, example, and sources, and then a conclusion to restate the thesis statement, summarize major points of essay, and final thoughts. So in the free version, you only get 3 actual maps. Then you'd have to delete an older one and create a new one. To get more than 3, you'd have to upgrade.